Hey guys, welcome back to Willa's Kitchen YouTube channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you all how to make Jamaican Gizadas, one of Jamaicans' favorite go-to snacks. Without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. So the first thing that you need to do is to sieve 3 cups of flour into a bowl. Just a reminder, Super Chat, Super Thanks, Super Stickers and memberships are active. Be sure to check out my membership to get amazing access to perks. After sieving the flour, add 1 tablespoon of salt and combine. I'm open to video suggestions. Comment down below and let me know what video you would like me to post next on my channel. Then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Combine the flour and butter until the butter is dissolved into the flour, just like this. Then add water to the mixture. Combine and form into a shape of a ball. Remember to pay attention to the amount of water that you pour at a time, because you don't want the dough to come out too sticky. This is what your dough should look like after shaping it. Not too thick and not too soft. It should be just right. Then add plastic wrap over the bowl with the dough, or just wrap it just like I did. Place it back into the bowl, then into the refrigerator to sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. While the dough is setting, add 2 to 3 cups of water into a non-stick pan. Then add 1 cup of brown sugar to the pan and allow it to dissolve into the water. Add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of almond essence, and a pinch of salt, then combine. Allow the mixture to come to a boil. Then add 3 to 4 cups of unsalted grated coconut flakes. You can use the original coconut flakes or you can use a store-bought coconut flakes. Just use your preference. I used the store-bought one, of course, because almost all the time when I bought the original coconut, it turned out to be spoiled. So I don't bother with it. For this part of the making, all you have to do is to continue the mixing process until the water is completely dried out of the pan. Continue to check on it often because you don't want it to burn. Like who wants to eat burnt gizadas? Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter almost at the end. Then combine. I'm not feeling well today, so that's why I'm using this adorable girl to do my voiceover for me. I hope everyone is doing okay and not as bad as I do today. Stay safe out there, guys. This is what it should look like after you are done. The next process is to make some gizadas. First, add some flour to your clean surface, then take the dough out of the refrigerator. Unwrap the dough and place it onto your surface, then cut the dough into 8 equal parts using a plastic cutter. After cutting the doughs into 8 equal parts, roll the doughs into ball shapes. Then roll them out using a rolling pin one at a time, just like what I'm demonstrating in this video. Then place something circular like a bowl over the dough. Then cut around it using a butter knife to make a flat round shape. Add more flour to your surface if you need to so that the dough doesn't stick to your surface. Then use your thumb and index fingers to pinch the edge of the dough on one hand and use the index finger on your other hand to poke the dough while you are pinching it at the same time. This is what the dough should look like afterwards. So I am going to make one more on camera, then I finish the rest off camera. Then I will be back. So stay tuned. So this is what it looks like. After making your shapes, be sure to poke some holes into the middle of the dough with a fork. For this reason is to allow air into the gizadas when they are baking. After you are done making your shapes, place the doughs onto a baking tray and place them into the oven to bake for 5 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. Then take the doughs out of the oven and add the coconut flakes mixture to them evenly. Then place them back into the oven to bake for 3 to 5 more minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. So guys, here you have it, your gizadas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and tell your friends and loved ones about Willa's Kitchen YouTube channel. I shall see you all in the next video. Stay safe, peace, and out.